McGregor, you've just disrupted court with your behavior today and your actions. You understand that?
I accidentally drive over the wrong way. I apologize.
I'm going to find your bond insufficient today. Deputy Martinez, go ahead and take you into custody.
This hearing looked routine, but within minutes it turns into a courtroom disaster. One small mistake is about to cost this man his freedom and a $150,000 bond. Before we start, subscribe for more insane real courtroom moments you won't believe actually happened.
Daniel McGregor. All right, Mr. McGregor, this is cause number CR 24172, and we're here on a status hearing regarding your hiring an attorney. Tell me where you're at on that.
Yes, sir. I had brought the paperwork that I needed to prove indigency. I brought the pay stub and the worth of my car, and right now I'm in between jobs, so I got approved for unemployment temporarily until I can get another job. I'm just waiting for those deposits to come through because sometimes they take a while to review, so currently I'm waiting for that to process.
Do you know how long that's going to take?
Usually they said about 6 weeks sometimes to receive payment, but I'm still looking at jobs, and I've got a few interviews scheduled as well. So
when are your interviews scheduled?
Today and this weekend, or tomorrow.
So we've had this conversation before, and I've told you that you've applied, and I've looked at your re-application, and you still make more money than the minimal to have a court-appointed attorney. You understand that? Because you've reported that you have zero expenses. Because didn't you say you live with your father or something? Do you live with your father?
Yeah.
He pays all your expenses.
He does.
So all the money that you make can go towards an attorney. The value of your car can be sold. It can go towards an attorney.
It's only worth $1,300.
Well, I understand, but if you've got $3,000 in benefits coming to you, you've got $1,300 in a car, and you've got no living expenses, then all you have is income and no debt. And so state law says that it's going to have to be less, that your income is going to have to be a certain level above your expenses before the court is going to be able to find you indigent. So we had this conversation last time that you may have to sell your car.
But $1,300 doesn't help me get $10,000.
It doesn't?
No,
it helps you. It would help me get $10,000 because that's $1,300 towards that $10,000.
They haven't released the funds at all, and they're basically still reviewing. And the only money I had was the $111 from Abby's Bagels. So that didn't last very long because I asked them questions about their policy, and they said that it wasn't working out. So
how much are you paying your bondsman?
Paying what?
How much are you paying your bondsman?
The bondsman, I paid $5,000 total, but that was when I had a job. HEB supplied my ability to pay. That went away because they took hours away, and I was driving too far. So I've been kind of up and down with jobs. Like, I've had 3 jobs the past year, and none of them have worked out very well. Just due to scheduling of new employees and overstaffing, things like that.
All right, Mr. McGregor, I'm going to reset you for 2 weeks. I want you back here on October 17th. You come back and you still have a car and you still have income and you have no expenses, and you come back without a lawyer, we're going to have a hearing on your bond. I may find your bond insufficient that day, and I may put you back in jail. And the longer you sit in jail, more likely you're going to become indigent to the point where I can appoint you an attorney. You see how it works? If you're going to pay your bondsman $5,000, you're going to have a job, you're going to pay them $5,000, and you're going to get out of jail, but you're not going to hire an attorney to go forward on your case.
I would hire an attorney if I had $10,000 to come up with, but it's just not possible for me.
You've got a car, and you're unemployed, right? So you've got a car, so you could drive to all these different places that are all looking for people to hire, right? Sounds like it's possible to me. So I want to see you back here in 2 weeks. If you don't have a lawyer in 2 weeks, then we're going to discuss your bond that day. Bring him back in here when you get a chance, Fabio. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mr. McGregor, you've just disrupted court with your behavior today and your actions. You understand that?
I accidentally drive over the wrong way. I apologize.
I'm going to find your bond insufficient today. Deputy Martinez, go ahead and take him into custody. Mr. McGregor, I'm going to appoint you an attorney.
So I might as well stay in jail, basically.
But you're going to jail now, and I'm going to up your bail to $150,000, and I'm going to appoint you an attorney.
150,000.
Yeah, so I said 150,000, $150,000.
For opening the door the wrong way?
No, not for opening the door the wrong way. Do you want me to hold you in direct criminal contempt and sentence you to 6 months in jail, day for day, on top of a child charge that you have? Do you want that? Yes or no? No? Okay.
I apologize.
Okay. Well, it's done. What's done is done. You'll learn your lesson, I hope. All right. Go ahead and take him, and I'll send over an order.
Just like that, a simple hearing turns into a $150,000 bond in jail. One wrong move in court can change everything. Like, comment your opinion, and subscribe for more unbelievable courtroom moments.